Hey guys, welcome back. Let's turn this piece into a little round bottom bowl. So I prepared this log quite nicely, actually, quite diligently. I scribed the circle on the face after I planed the face. So the face is very nice and even for my worm screw and my chuck to grab a hold of it. This is very dense wood. I'm thinking it's red oak, some sort of oak at least. Cut it to the exact, I measured the exact width between, like inside of the bark, put that on as the length of the piece as well, and then I scribed the circle and cut the corners off, so it's gonna be really easy to round off this piece using the 40/40 gouge. And this is my older chuck. I didn't get a worm screw with the new chuck, and when I bought the new chuck, this one had already started breaking down on me. So the mechanism on the inside of this one it's gone bad. So opening this chuck up and closing it got really hard. The one of the wheels doesn't work at all, and the other one kind of works very randomly and badly. So I only use this chuck for the worm screw, which it does quite well. So this is I wouldn't say an advanced method of getting a bowl blank on the worm screw, but I probably should recommend that you don't do it the first time you put a bowl on a worm screw. And if you do it, when you do it, stop the lathe, tighten it up, because you don't want to hold it on that tight that the lathe is going to rip you apart if you try to hold the bowl stuck all the way through. So you just want to use it as a quick method of getting the bowl on there and then tighten it up afterwards. On a piece this size, it's a small piece. I can't be bothered with the tailstock. I'm just going to start turning, flatten out the bottom, form it quickly, turn it around, put it in the chuck, hold it, hollow it out, and then I'm gonna put it on the wooden chuck that is on the chuck up there. Put it on there and then form it on the outside to its final form. Let's get it done. here it is. A finished quick little bowl. Pleasing curve again. Really, really beautiful. Looking forward to seeing how this color evolves. I'm expecting it to evolve a bit because of it's kind of fresh, this wood still, and I already put some finish on it. Not 100% sure how that's gonna come along. There is a piece of pith in here, so that can end up being unfortunate. I'm not sure. It's only on the one side though, not on the other side. But really pleased with it. A nice little curve. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out the affiliate link in the description below to see where I buy my tools, my lathe and my gouges, some of my vacuuming equipment. They have so much in that shop, Dork and Donola. Check them out guys. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Keep coming, because I'm gonna keep the videos coming. See you guys.